the door for my woman.
That's my brother, the lion himself. Welcome home.
Hi, princess.
You look pretty. Welcome.
Thank you. Your brother have said a lot of things about you.
Really? Come here.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Welcome. Let's go in.
Mom and dad are inside.
They are inside.
Okay.
Let's go.
My dear, so tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Umuparaku village, Your Majesty.
Ah, Umuparaku. Once again, you're welcome to my palace.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
My son.
Father.
It is said that he who finds a wife finds a good thing. I found a good thing in her.
Thank you, Father.
You're welcome.
And I have no doubt in my mind that you will make a good wife.
By the grace of God, I will, Your Majesty.
So good to hear that.
Brother.
Sister.
I am so happy for you. I am happy of the man you are becoming.
Thank you. It's about time, you know.
Welcome, my dear.
I am filled with joy. Let's go for merriment.
Mama! Oh, Mama, I missed you so much. Look at you! You're looking good.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, Nana. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey, Mama, you're looking good. You look good. Mama! Mama, where is Edine?
Oh,
I checked outside. I didn't see her, and she's not here.
she went to the market.
Oh, she wants to cook the delicious meal for us. As if she knew we are coming. Mama.
She'll soon be back.
Good to see you, Mama.
Oh,
water. Let me help you.
let's go inside so that I can find you something to drink in.
Mama.
Don't say no.
I actually want to see my people again.
You can do that after, please.
Please, now you have to eat.
Thank you. No, let's go.
Mama, no, Mama.
Nah, let's go.
Hey, Annabelle, Mama. No.
Lolo.
Iwe.
Now that our son is ready to get married, you have to advise him to do the necessary things, like going to his maternal home to inform them. After that, other things can then follow suit.
Iwe, I will tell him, and I will ensure he does that.
Once again, you are welcome to your maternal home.
Thank you, Grandma.
How is everybody in the palace?
Everyone is fine.
Ah, thank God. And who is this beautiful young woman with you?
Well, Grandma, you see, that's the reason I stopped by. She's the woman I'm planning to marry.
Really? You want to marry? Oh God, thank you. You want to make me a great grandmother?
Yes.
Ha! Oh God, I'm happy. I'm so happy. My dear.
Hey.
Hi, you're welcome. What's your name?
My name is Annabelle, ma.
Annabelle. Annabelle, can you tell me about your origin? I mean, where do you come from?
Okay, I'm from Umuparaku village, ma.
Umuparaku?
Yes, ma'am. I'm the daughter of late Mr. Francis Ikekwem.
Late Mr. Francis was your father?
Yes, ma'am.
And Florence is the name of your mother?
Ah, you know my mother? Yes, that's my mother.
Ah. Okay. That is good. That is good. Once again, you're welcome, my daughter. My prince, what do I offer you people?
Anything, Grandma. Anything.
My in-law, you are welcome to my palace. No.
Mama? This one you came without informing us. I hope all is well.
My daughter, you are not wrong. You know our people say that whatever the fowl chases in the rain is of paramount importance to it. So,
we are listening.
Your Majesty, how much do you know the girl that the prince intends to marry?
For now, we don't know much about her.
All we know about her is where she came from, her village.
Your Majesty, I think it's very, very important that we make a proper inquiry so that we don't make mistake.
It is important, actually. It is a necessary part of our tradition in marriage. So I will send Ono to make the inquiries.
Okay. That would be good.
Then, you're welcome.
Well, drink.
Oh no. Once again, you people are welcome to my house. Yeah. It is said that a toad does not scamper in daylight for nothing. It is either it's chasing something or something is after it.
Ndoka,
Oh no.
the prince of the land has seen a very beautiful girl in your family.
Oh no. If I may ask, who is this woman you're talking about? Because we have the many in our household.
The daughter of your late brother, Ikekwem.
Oh. Are you talking about Annabelle?
Yes.
Annabelle.
Yes. But there is a problem. The grandfather of Ikekwem, who is the father of Annabelle, and the grandfather of the king share a common ancestry. Which means the prince and Annabelle are relatives. If we go no manga.
Ha! Oh no. Now I remember that our family and the royal household are related.
In that case, the marriage will not hold.
Of course.
Makana we must do something now before it is too late.
No. I have to speak to my late brother's wife and the daughter. Okay. I believe they will understand me. Makana if any one case me so
Kakwa makana eme ngwa emegala adachi.
Oh no.
Your Majesty.
Hi. This is not good at all. Hi.
Bah.
It's not good.
Your Majesty. It is not a good one at all.
Ah.
Bah.
Oh no, we are here at this point. Now that it is clear that they have the same ancestry, where do we go from here? What then do we do?
Your Majesty, I think the right thing to do right now is to stop the prince and Annabelle from getting married to each other. They cannot marry each other. It's impossible.
Right.
Eh?
You're correct. Makada eje nyeje.
Eje cha.
Your Majesty.
Oh.
I think it's good that we discover this thing on time. Our in-law should take credit for that. Because if not, it would have been catastrophic.
Yeah, that is true.
Hey!
What do you?
You are my late brother's wife. It is my duty to make sure that nothing goes wrong in this household.
It's true, Nai. Since my husband died, you've been good to us.
The reason I am here is to tell you that the marriage between our daughter and the prince will no longer hold.
I don't understand, Nai. Why?
A few hours ago, the Onowu and the prince's grandmother came to my house, explaining to me how this household and the royal household are related, and I quite agree with them.
How?
The grandfather of your late husband and the grandfather of the king share a common ancestry. In other words, our daughter and the prince are blood relatives.
Nah, this is not good. It's not good at all.
But it is even good we find out on time so that we can handle it.
No, I'm not going to I will talk to Annabelle when she comes back.
You better do. Makanas na okenya da no. Ewe monobule. My wife, after your discussion with your daughter, try to let me know about it. I will be on my way now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. How do I explain this thing to her?
I will not take that.
What is it? She looked bothered.
Can you believe Dad is being negative on my decision to marry Annabelle?
Why?
I don't know, because of one stupid and fetish tradition. I will not let that happen. I will never let that happen.
Calm down, okay? I'll talk to them.
Oh, you better do. Nonsense. Because of one stupid tradition that our great-great-grandfathers brought. You're trying to... Let no one try that with me. Oh. Let nobody try that with me.
Father. Mother. What is going on? I mean, I just saw Nabike feeling so sad. And he told me that both of you don't want him to get married to Annabelle. Why?
Princess.
Yes, mother.
Can a child ask for fish from his parents and they will give him a snake?
No.
We told your brother the truth and he got angry.
Truth? Mother, what truth are you talking about?
The truth is that Annabelle has the same ancestry with us. Therefore, they can never get married. Nabika cannot marry her.
What?
Yes.
Yes, my child. After proper inquiry, we discovered that we have blood relationship with the woman your brother wants to marry.
Mother, then you are not wrong. It is a sacrilege for one to marry one's blood relative.
Exactly.
No, Nabike must listen to both of you. Oh,
Nsani Ibaramo Omenanani Ibaramo Nsani Ibaramo.
Has he finally agreed? Tell me he has finally agreed.
Nabike, listen to me. Do not allow your emotions take your sense of judgment away. It's quite unfortunate that the woman you chose to marry is our blood relative. You can't marry her. And it's a common idea that one does not marry one's blood relative. One near Adano, one near.
I see. So you're part of this conspiracy, right? No, you're part of this conspiracy to deny me my joy. To deny me the woman that makes me happy.
Don't get this twisted, bro. There's no conspiracy here. Nabike, listen to the truth. If you marry Annabelle, you will get into a big trouble. A very big one. Listen. You are a young, handsome man. You are royalty. Every girl out there would do anything just to have you. Why not just forget about this Annabelle and, just make another choice. A good one.
Look at you. You are a young, beautiful girl. You are the princess of this kingdom. You are an enemy of progress. And no matter how much you coin your words, my decision to marry Annabelle will never be compromised. Excuse me.
You have to listen to mother. You have to listen to them. You can't marry her. What's wrong with him?
Sani di baramo Aga
Annabelle.
Oh.
Babes.
Who is your babes? What are you doing here?
Babe, is it me you're talking to like that?
No, I am talking to your ghost. What are you doing here? For days now you have refused to come and see me. Obviously, that old witch, your step-grandmother, has brainwashed you just as she brainwashed my uncle and my mother for you not to get married to me. Sometimes I keep wondering what you are doing around me. What are you doing here?
Why are you sounding like this now? At least you listen to me to know the reason.
Listen to you as what? Eh? So that you can start deceiving me again? Okoya? Sebapwa, leave.
Can you kindly calm down? Take a chill pill. Let me tell you why I haven't come to see you.
You drink a chill pill and get out from here. Leave! I'll put you. Leave. I say go.
That's
go.
White. I'm wearing
go.
white.
Please,
I'm
leave.
wearing white.
No, you're wearing black because I'm blind. That's white you're wearing. Nonsense.
I'm wearing white. Please don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, Mama.
My son. Wait.
Wait for what?
Don't misunderstand me. I'm only acting in good faith. I'm just trying to make sure you do not marry your blood relative.
Which blood relative? No, I'm asking you, Grandma, which blood relative? I see you don't want my happiness, right? No, you don't want my happiness. Now listen, Grandma. From today onwards, you cease being my grandma. Mind your business, let me mind my business. Since you don't want my happiness. Since you don't want my happiness, right?
Oh, for your blood relative? Nnabike, mubu neno kiso otu agwoku. Maka na gini eme? Na ncho n'izogo ndi si na owu ka nwa. Nsogbu adiro. Ili gibu gini na efenu ifesia ige emecha fetuo n'ana.
Nobody will get anything from stopping you from getting it. It is the joy of every parent to watch their children settle down. What we are trying to avoid is the shame, the repercussion that comes with the kind of marriage you want to go into. Son, we cannot allow you marry a blood relative. It's not possible. It is a sacrilege.
I want to be left alone.
Alright, son. I will let you be. But please, think about it.
Annabelle, how are you?
Hmm?
Annabelle, why are you doing this? Why are you treating me this way? My parents are against me, all because of the love I have for you. Why are you adding salt to my injury? I called you for us to talk and just look at what you're saying to me. It's not nice.
Please. So you think you can deceive me with your sweet tongue, Okoya?
Annabelle, do you know I called you for you to lift the burden off my heart? Why are you treating me this way?
Excuse me. Nonsense.
Annabelle.
Baby. Why is everybody against our relationship? Why?
It's obvious they are jealous.
Right.
Of course, I mean, they know that we are going to be the sweetest couple ever seen. So they are fighting. All means to bring us down, started from, bringing up stupid and fetish tradition. But we must not relent in what we believe in. We must not relent in loving each other. Okay?
Right.
No matter what, I will never stop loving you.
Thank you, baby. Anyways, my mind is highly made up to live with you for the rest of my life.
That's my girl.
And no power on earth can stop me.
Same here. I promise to love you every now and then.
I love you, baby.
I love you more. Can you do me a favor?
What is it, baby? Anything.
Can you stay with me a little longer?
Oh, I would love to stay, but my mother, she'll be looking for me. Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
You don't want to stay, Mom.
I love to, but my mom. Okay? Don't miss me too much. I'll be back.
Okay. God!
Hi, Prince.
Take this key and drop my woman. Baby.
Don't miss me too much.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, baby.
Hold it right there.
Annabelle, you are no longer welcome in this palace. So I don't want to ever see you in this palace again.
Are you out of your mind? What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Get out!
Annabelle! Annabelle!
Get out!
Baby! Are you out of your mind? Why would you talk to my fiancé like that?
I don't want to ever see her in this palace again!
And who the hell are you to give such order?
I said so. You can't do that, kid bro.
Nsani diberamo Omenanani diberamo.
Okay. I have to report to our parents before taking action.
You've been pacing around here, angry. What's your problem?
Why is everyone treating me like an outcast? Why is everyone disrespecting me? Am I no longer the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom?
My son, you are the heir apparent to the kingdom. There is no controversy about that. Is anybody contesting that with you?
Of course, my sister just did. After spending quality time with my woman, the girl I want to marry, I ordered the palace guard to drive her home in one of the cars. Then all of a sudden, my sister came out from nowhere and ordered my woman, my fiancé, out of the car. As if that was not enough, she even told her never to step her feet in this palace. Why would she do that?
It's okay. It's okay.
How brazen! No, is that not disrespecting?
It is okay. Huh? So
how can she embarrass me like that?
Son, it's okay. So, you brought a new bride and you did not deem it wise to introduce her to us.
Oh.
Well, I am happy for you.
Great.
So where is your new bride from?
Mom, what are you saying? There's no new bride. You already know her. It's Annabelle. She ordered Annabelle out of the car.
You are still seeing that girl? And you have the guts to stand before us and tell us what your sister did to her? If I had set my eyes on her, I would have done the worst. I can see you have no sense. You are running crazy. Get out of my presence. I said get out! You have no sense again in you.
Well, it's high time.
You are running crazy. Get out!
High time to stop disrespect.
Why is it so okay?
Get out! Just imagine.
It's okay. Just calm down, please. It's youthful exuberance.
Youthful exuberance, you say? Which youthful exuberance? I was sometime like him. I wasn't that stupid.
My king, individual differences. Just calm down. Please.
You called me, Grandma.
Yes, my daughter. I want you to go to the palace. Tell the prince that I want to see him with the woman he says he wants to marry. Eh? But that will be when you must have done with what you are doing. Eh?
Alright, Grandma.
Ifendu, please get me a glass of water. Oh?
Alright, Grandma. Grandma.
Hello?
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go back.
Alright, Grandma. Hey.
You know we want the best for you. It will be dangerous for the two of you to get married because you are blood relatives. And this type of issue has made so many people useless, such as premature death and childlessness. Huh?
So, Grandma, you invited us here to talk us out from getting married, okay?
I wonder.
Now, all these your talks and advices too.
My son, calm down. Oyimu, akara m ịgwa gị bụ ajọ oyi, mana oyimu agwara nga agwa bụkwa na ezigbote oyi. It will be dangerous for the both of you to get married. And this type of marriage is associated with a lot of calamities and sorrow, such as premature death and childlessness. Even if a child is born, that child will end up an imbecile.
Ne, this is a mere superstition, and we do not believe in it.
My daughter, you are wrong. Very, very wrong. And for the benefit of doubt, listen to my story.
Brother, there is something I want to tell you. Okay? I wish to inform you that I found my lost rope. Wow. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
That's a good one. But you must bring her home if you're really serious.
Yes, I will do that. Just wanted to inform you first before doing that.
Okay. You did well, my brother.
This is the woman I've been telling you about. The lost rope I've been searching for. The woman I want to spend all the days of my life with.
My dear, this is my brother. Your eyes are very sharp.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, welcome. Welcome to our home. So, what's your name?
I am Yoma.
Wow, Yoma indeed. Where are you from?
I'm from Umweze, family of Obinta.
Umweze, Obinta. Is your father the one that stays in the north?
Yes, exactly.
Is your father aware of your relationship with my brother? I mean, does he know my brother?
Not too much, but I told him over the phone, so he gave his consent.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. No problem. We'll get back to you, my dear.
Thank you.
It's alright. Thank you very much, man. I will have to see her off now.
No problem.
Thank you.
Alright. Is Zunda my brother?
One day.
I want to let you know it's not possible for you to marry that girl.
One, why? This girl is a good girl from a good home. She's virtuous. She has a good attitude. I mean, she's a wife material. If she becomes my wife, I tell you, both of us will have reasons to smile.
My reason is far beyond the point you just made. It's not all about attitude or beauty. After all, no woman is perfect.
Then what is the matter?
This family is related to us.
What?
Our great-grandfather was a blood brother to her great-grandmother. You and I know that it is a sacrilege for one to marry a blood relative.
One, where did you get this from? And how come I was not aware of this all this while?
You were not aware because it's a far relation. And I want to let you know it was our father, our late father, that told me this because I used to stay close to him all the time.
Here! When are you by any means telling me not to marry Ihoma? Are you? The joy of my heart, the love of my life. Are you?
Izuna, my brother, I know how it feels for one to let go of the woman he loves. But do not let your emotions control you. Okay, if you insist and marry this girl, lots and lots of trouble will come your way.
Spare me that crowd. Spare me that complete story.
Izuna, do not underrate the strength of this reality.
Reality or no reality, I must marry Ihoma. Full stop! Nonsense!
Agwanti, wanti anogi, why you see? Nti sorry. Problem.
Ihoma, my daughter, you made a very wrong choice. Izuna is your blood relative, and you cannot marry him. Makana one nada no one near.
Mother, Izuna loves me, and I love him too. Mother, Izuna is the love of my life. Mother, if I understand marriage very well, it's about happiness, right? Izuna is the only man that gives me that happiness a woman desires.
My daughter, you are only but a child that knows little or nothing about the ways of traditions. Ihoma, have you ever seen or heard that a brother marries a sister? Ihoma, a stubborn grasshopper always ends up in the belly of a bird. The ear that refuses to listen, when the head is cut off, it follows. My daughter, you are a young and beautiful girl with a heart of gold. In fact, no man in his right senses will walk past you without taking a backward glance. Ihoma, because you know, forget about Izuna. He is your blood relative, and that is why you cannot marry him.
I can marry Izuna. What's the point explaining to you? You don't understand me. No one will ever understand me.
Ihoma, where are you going to? Ihoma, come back here. Ihoma. Ihoma. Okay. Let me see Izuna and his people into this compound. Cameraman. Okay, no. Ihoma. Okay.
I heard your daughter's voice arguing with you. What is the matter?
Nani Ihoma is getting very stupid. She is digging her own pit to fall inside.
How do you mean?
I was explaining to Ihoma that she's a blood relative to Izuna and cannot marry him. And she was telling me that she's in love with Izuna. I must marry Izuna and no one else. Now, can you imagine?
Does she want to die?
I don't know for her.
Don't you know the implication and evil surrounding such marriage you want to enter into? She's supposed to even appease the gods for having a relationship with her blood relative. Children of nowadays.
Nah, I am troubled. Ihoma is really digging her own grave.
Is your husband aware of this?
Yes. I've sent a message across to him. And he seriously kicked against this marriage.
And who does Ihoma think that will give her out in marriage when your husband is not in support?
Nah, I don't know. Ihoma will not kill me in this house. She wants to bring shame and disgrace to this household. I will not allow her.
It won't happen.
Chacha.
Calm down, my wife. It won't happen. Not when I'm alive. Calm down.
You look worried. Is there anything the matter?
Obi, I'm bothered.
What is it? Speak to me in all ears.
My mother doesn't want to see us together.
I know. Same here. My brother is hell-bent in putting us asunder. But don't worry. Nothing can ever put us apart.
Obi,
Moving.
are you sure?
Yes.
Obi, my heart beats faster. Anytime I remember I might lose you. I don't ever want us to go apart, please.
Don't worry. Put your worry at rest. You're not going to lose me. Listen. Even in the midst of darkness, my love for you glitters like the starry stars of the night. Like an immortal, my love for you can never die.
Obi, look around. Like the leaves of the earth, my love for you is evergreen. It's always green no matter the season. Obi, I love you.
In our journey of love, I am going to break the record of love. I will continue to love you like no man has ever done. You are my vow. This is my vow.
Obi, I love you. I love you.
Oh my God. One day. What's up with you?
This one you're calling me, hope all is well.
One, all is well, all is well. And please, I want to let you know that I am now ready to go and pay the bride price of my wife-to-be.
And who is this your wife-to-be? Advising her before. Why not go and bring her so that I will see her before going to pay her bride price?
But I've already brought her home now. You've seen her.
Wait, I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Are you still talking about the girl you brought home the other time?
Yoma now. Now you remember. Yoma, no one else now. She's the one. No one else.
Do you know, if not for one thing, I would have said that we are not brothers because you are behaving like an idiot. You're behaving as if you did not suck our mother's breast.
One, why are you talking to me like this? Huh? Why are you sounding like this? For crying out loud, you have been disturbing me all this while to get married. Now I'm ready to get married and you're kicking against it. Why?
I did not tell you to get married to your own sister. After all the warnings and the advice I gave to you, you're still making preparations to get married to your own relative. Since you have decided to bring calamity upon yourself, I have nothing to say. After all, you're a full-grown man. But do not cry when the chips are down.
One, I understand where you're coming from. I can see you are an enemy of progress. I understand the pranks you are playing. Because I did not allow you to sell our land. Now you are trying to frustrate me so that I will not get married. You want me to die childless so that you will inherit our father's property, our father's land. It will not work. It will not work. You think I don't know? The other day you told me that our late father told you that we are related to Ihoma's family. It is not going to work for you. I said it is not going to work for you. Enemy of progress. Enemy of progress, that is what you are. Whether you like it or not, I am going to marry Ihoma.
Bia, Izuchukwu, I have done everything possible. Ask Kwana Opanuwakobu, Okwantichirie. I've said my own, if you like.
Nine. Do you know that after all the warnings, Ihoma and Izuna are still making serious plans for the palm wine carré?
Are you sure of what you just said?
Nine, I am very much sure.
Is her father coming back to give her out in marriage?
Not at all. As a matter of fact, my husband is very angry with our daughter.
So how are they going to do it?
I heard that they are planning to go to their Ebenezer's house for the palm wine carré.
The Ebenezer the drunk.
If you go there now.
It will happen. It will happen. Not when I'm alive. It will happen.
Hey, Ihoma will not kill you.
Leave me alone! Let me be! Let me be! Leave me alone!
My husband.
Listen to me. I did not get married to you for us to be playing like Romeo and Juliet. I got married to you for you to give me babies. Give me babies! For over 5 years now I got married to you. Not even a single baby in this house. Huh?
Obim, try and understand, please. I'm a woman. I also want to carry my child. Please wait for God.
Which God? Which God are you talking about? Is your God different from the God of other women that give children to their husband? I'm asking you, huh?
Obim, what don't you understand? Understand the fact that I also want to carry my children.
Give me children! Yamumo! Give me children for crying out loud!
Izu! My husband! What is going on? God, why? Why can't I have my own children? Give me one, just one, I beg you. Give me one. Husband, I made your favorite. Should I bring it here or you want to eat inside?
Listen very good. I am not interested in your food. Give me children. Give me children.
Oh, Obim, why are you treating me like this? Am I God that gives children?
Are you telling me that my God is sleeping? For over years I got married to you. You have not been able to give me a single child. Not even a single miscarriage from you. My mates are almost done making babies. And I'm still struggling to just have one. Ofunna. It's obvious you are cursed.
I'm not cursed. Obim, my great-grandmother gave birth to my grandmother. My grandmother gave birth to my mother. And my mother gave birth to me. Make me a woman, I will give you children.
How dare you call me important? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Idiot! 1 year ago. Barren wife. Give me children. Idiot.
Obim! Obim, he slapped me! Obim, you slapped me! Obim! Get me pregnant, I will give you children. Obim!
Hello? Yeah, okay. Yeah, the blue one. Okay, just give me like 3 minutes, I'll call you back. Yeah. Ihoma, this one you're standing before me without saying anything. What's it?
Brother, it's Izuna. Brother, Izuna is treating me like an outcast in my own husband's house. Brother, Izuna beats me every now and then for no reason.
Why?
Because he said I've not been able to give him a child.
So Why are you telling me now? Do I look like God that gives babies? Yeah? Imaebi Sarah Hijechira Kwage came here and started distracting my call. Yes, as I was saying, the blue one and the red one, which one do you prefer?
Brother.
Okay. I think the red one will go. Okay, just check and get back to me. Okay. Do your research and get back to me. Yes. Okay, you can send. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. Izu, my brother. Ihoma came to me crying, telling me how you beat her always. Why?
When my heart is burning right now. My heart is burning. When am I getting any younger? That girl is a witch. That girl Amusu. Look at me. My mates are now with so many children. And I'm only struggling to have just one. Just one. For over years I got married to her. Not even a single child. Not even a cry of a baby in this house. Odimma. One Odimma.
Oyim akame gwagi boy. Man oyim agwangagwa base boy.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Use your tongue and count your teeth.
My husband, I have a suggestion to make. I'm suggesting we could go see a very good doctor to know where our problem is coming from.
Your idea is very good, very nice, a very wonderful idea. I will have said no to that because I know there is nothing wrong with me. I know I'm very strong in bed. And the dogum at 33:10. But for the benefit of doubt and to satisfy all righteousness, I will have to go with you.
Thank you. Your food is ready. Should I bring it out so you want to eat later?
I'm not hungry.
Obin, this is our lab test. Stated that we are both trying to make babies. What's wrong? What have we done wrong?
I am totally confused. I feel so shattered. I don't know where to start from. I feel like begin a grave and end it all. Oh.
My husband, it's obvious that it's neither you nor my fault. Let's wait on God. Everything will be fine.
Money. My heart is so heavy. So heavy.
What is it?
For over the years I got married to my wife, there is no child. We have gone to places. We have gone to hospitals. We have gone for a series of medical tests. And the results said there is nothing wrong with us. We have even gone to different herbalists. We have even gone to white garment churches. Yet there was no solution. I'm confused right now. I'm highly confused.
Izu, my brother, it is good you're witnessing it yourself. I warned you against going into that marriage, but you refused. But wait, how
How do you think you can get married to your own relative and scale through your own blood?
I think I have made a mistake, and I am sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. I have really come to you for solution. I need you to give me some pieces of advice. What do I do?
You have to disengage yourself from that marriage. Let Ihoma go. She's not your wife. After she must have gone, you pray to God to give you your own wife. And you will see things falling in place.
Child! Kibuka, Harabala. My heart is burning. No, my heart is burning. My brother asked me to divorce my wife. My wife that took me years. It took me years to win her heart. Instead of my brother to go to my wife and ask her why she cannot give me children, she asked me to divorce her. Odumma.
Izu Ijidalogu. Izu, are you not the same person that told me the other day that you and your wife have gone for medical checkup and the results said that both of you are sound to make babies? Izu again.
That was slip of the tongue. I said that out of confusion.
Izu, you will always be confused. Izu, how can you marry your blood relative and expect her to give you babies? One nona, no one. Izu, Izu, it's time you let Ihoma go and look for her destined husband. Why you look for your destined wife?
I should let my wife go. I should divorce my wife.
Izu, wolo totwa chubego ji nekuchika oneji. Izu, it's time you face the truth for once. For once, face the truth, Izu. Izu, do the right thing. Follow your brother's advice. Izu, I'm tired of this complaining all the time. Next time, if you call me, let it be for business. And the other things, let it not be about you and your wife. Akanika ugom. May hezilezi. Makandoge.
Ihoma. Obim.
Please come.
Okay, I'm coming. Obim. My husband. You're welcome.
Bring that chair and come here. I want to discuss your part. Inyoma, I called you out here to tell you that this marriage is over.
Are you joking? How would you say that?
Can't you see that this marriage is not yielding any fruit? It's taking us nowhere.
Obim, you mean you called me out to pick a seat? Sit with you only for you to look straight to my eyes and tell me this same marriage you fought against everyone for. It's over. Obim, did you have anything to drink?
Inyoma, I know how it feels. I know how it feels. I know it feels so sad. I feel the same way you feel.
but just that our future is at stake here. It's not working. Just go.
Obi, after everything we've gone through together, my husband, let's wait on God. I know how you feel. You're a man.
And what makes you think God is happy with this marriage? Listen, Ihoma, I have come to understand that all the advice people have been giving me about this marriage is right. I've come to understand that what my brother has been telling me is correct. We made a mistake. Let us correct it. Let us go our separate ways and look for our lost way. There is no way we can go against tradition. It will always tell on us. Just go. Oh, it's for our own good.
Obi! Am I dreaming? How do I bear the shame? How do I face my mother? Would she ever forgive me? Where do I start from?
You've done wonderfully well, my brother.
Yes, one.
My dear, what's your name?
My name is Uloma.
Uloma. Which village are you from and who is your father?
I'm from one Aries compound in Umukburu's village.
Umukburu. Wait, one in Badaso?
Yes.
He was a very good friend of our late father, a great hunter.
Yes, he was.
No, you are welcome to our humble home.
Thank you.
My brother, you have indeed found a good woman. We will find it a wife. Find it a good thing.
You can say that again and again and again.
My dear, I and my brother will put heads together. Come and see your people so that we can fix a date for the wine kind and traditional marriage. We want to do everything at once.
Wow. Thank you.
Kita kebia now. Kita kebia.
My brother is a very good person.
Yeah.
A very wonderful brother.
I can say.
My wife is in labor. Please, can you help me call Kechi, your friend, so that we can go to the hospital in his car, please? Okay?
Okay, you know what? I don't have enough airtime on my phone now. I'll rush down to his house. You guys should just be going. Then we'll meet you on the way. Eh? Okay.
He's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out. My waist. Oh boy.
Okay, we'll be fine, okay? We'll be fine.
My beautiful wife. Oh. You know, I can't stop thanking God for giving me a sweet soul like you.
You can say that again, my husband.
Very soon, you are going to give me a beautiful baby girl. Yes.
I'll be having a boy.
No. Don't say that. It's going to be a girl.
I disagree. My first child is going to be a son.
That's by the way. Let me tell you something. You know, once you are due for the delivery of this child, I'm going to take you to the best hospital in the city. Yes!
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
There they are going to take proper care of my child.
Thank you.
You know I love you.
I love you more.
Man, your mom. Millianum.
I'm so blessed with you.
I love you.
My brother, what is it? One name. My wife has given birth to a bouncing baby girl. Agadaga marama. God, thank you.
Thanks be to Chukwu Okike.
Yes.
So how are they doing?
They are doing wonderfully well. They are all hale and hearty. They are fine. One name. God has done wonderfully well for me. God is faithful to me. God is faithful. I will always appreciate him. One name. In my next word, you are going to be my brother. Eh? You're a wonderful brother.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you're such a wonderful storyteller.
I tell you.
Don't you think you're wasting your talent being here? I mean, maybe I could link you up to one movie producer that could at least buy this story and develop it.
I tell you.
Maybe like Solar Kitty or something. I could tell him.
I can see you people did not believe my story.
No, we don't.
What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Annabelle, get your ass out of this house right now! What is the meaning of this? What? Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Oh, you wanted to mad me? You must be stupid! Useless princess! Princess my food! Go and get married to your own husband! What is it? Deal with her! Deal with her! Deal with her!